This is a brand new 2013 Ford Expedition. It features a 5.4-liter, 8-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include power-adjustable driver pedals, XM satellite radio, a double wishbone independent front suspension, 18-inch wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: a low tire pressure indicator, cruise control, an auto-dimming rearview mirror, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, side curtain airbags, front and rear reading lights, running boards, dusk sensing headlights, a trailer hitch receiver, and air conditioning. Call or visit us right now and arrange your test drive today.
Laird Noller Automotive is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 935 West 23rd Street in Lawrence.